IHM Flix. This time, we are making computer learning simple, practical, and effective with a new 60-day Microsoft training module. In this series, we'll help you to master Microsoft Word from scratch, step by step. So if you are a student, working professional, or someone who wants to learn computer basics, this video is perfect for you. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Today's topic is Introduction to MS Word. By the end of this video, you will understand what MS Word is, where we use it, and how its screen looks like when we open it. So let's begin. First of all, we'll understand what MS Word or Microsoft Word actually is. It is a word processing software. That means it helps us type, edit, and format text documents on a computer. To summarize the key features, it helps us type, edit, and format text documents on a computer. It also offers easy document creation with formatting tools, templates, and editing features. Even it enhances documents with the fonts, tables, images, and a lot more. Almost everyone who uses a computer will use Microsoft Word at some point of time. Now that we've understood what are the key features of MS Word and what MS Word actually is, now we'll talk about where we actually use it in real life. To make it more relatable, think all the documentation that you did yourself on paper is now being done digitally through MS Word. To take some examples, as mentioned on the screen, the following examples are writing letters, be it office or personal letters that we send, creating a resume or CV that is used while applying for a job. Thirdly, we often make school and college assignments which are submitted nowadays on Google Sheet, Google Forms, or on a drive. Then the project reports that PhD students do, etc. The rest are other documents like notice, application forms, business documents like proposals and invoices while making any order. So we can see that even if you are a student, teacher, or office employees, or any business owner, MS Word is useful for every individual. That is why learning MS Word is considered a very basic computer skill. These To give you a pictorial example about the CV and invoices that are being created on MS Word, I've attached them in the following pages. For example, you can see that this is a CV of Olivia Wilson, which was created on MS Word. Then is an invoice which was created by any business or can be created by any business when they have to make any order or have to place any order. Now, the third phase of our discussion is the interface overview of MS Word. Now, to understand the interface of MS Word, we can see that after opening the software or the application, the window looks like this. Interface is actually a way computer program presents information to or receives information from the person who is using it. In particular or in general, the layout of the screen and the menus that an application has when we open it. Here we can see that the Windows application, when we open it, it is divided into various parts. To begin with, the first one is the title bar. That means this blue area. The title bar is at the very top of the software or the interface. It shows the name of the document and the application name. However, this version does not show the name of the application, it rather has the logo of the Word document here. The second thing is the quick access toolbar. This is visible within the task. The second thing is the quick access toolbar. This is visible within the title bar. Here you can see these different options, that is auto save, save option, undo, and redo. These are some common options or common which are used by the users. It depends on the use or who is using it. If you want to add any further options or tools in this, you can click on the drop down menu here and see there are other options which you can add. For example, the email. If I add this, we have a different another icon which is available here. So whenever I have to mail someone, I can simply click on it and create a mail. Now, next thing we'll look upon is the ribbon. This big area with tabs and buttons is called the ribbon. The ribbon contains all the tools that we use in MS Word. Please keep this in mind that whatever work you do in Word, you will do using these ribbons. These are the different tabs that are here within the ribbon and are options available under every tab. After the tab comes this document area. This area is actually the place where we type a content like I have done. The title bar, the quick access toolbar. For example, if I have to make another line into it, I'll simply write what I have to do. And I can format it using the different tabs and the options available here. Under each tab, for example, home, insert, draw, design, we have different tabs for different purposes. We'll discuss it in further videos. The next thing we'll see is that at the bottom, we have a status bar. It shows the page number of the document we are on and also has a zoom slider. It also has various modes through which we can use a document and present it in front of people. On the bottom right corner, you can see the zoom slider. We can increase or zoom in the document and zoom out depending upon our need. So this was just the basic introduction to MS Word and its screen layout. Now we'll have a quick recap of the discussion that we had today. First, MS Word is used for typing and formatting documents. It is used in school, offices, and businesses. The ribbon is the most important part of MS Word. And the last thing, we'll end this discussion with a practice task for you all. The first is open your MS Word on your computer and try to identify the ribbons and the different tabs available here. In further discussion, it will help us to understand it better if you have already gone through it. Try to write something in the document area here and save it with whatever name you want. In the next video, we will learn about ribbons and tabs in detail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next class.